How to fix the TikTok not letting you follow anyone glitch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble on your TikTok where it does not allow you to follow anyone, here are the fixes to get it done. First of all, check for the temporary ban. TikTok may block the users from following people temporarily if they detect spam like behavior. This usually happens if you follow too many users at once. If that is the case, you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours and it should reset on its own. Clearing your app cache can also remove stored data. To do so, head over to Profile and Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Free Up Space, tap on it, and tap on the Clear button. Then confirm the Clear button and you should be good to go. Likewise, sometimes glitches happen because of your app being outdated. To do so, head over to App Store or Google Play Store and make sure TikTok app is updated to its latest version. If clearing the cache and updating the app does not work, try uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok. This will refresh everything. So for this, delete or uninstall the app, restart your device and reinstall TikTok. If nothing works, report the issue directly to TikTok. For this, you can either go to report a problem section or through the app support. Make sure to describe the glitch and add a screenshot as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.